Hi, my name is Chavi. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Hyper-V in server operating system. This is my server manager. I'll go to add roles and features. Next, next. Select the server from here. Select the role Hyper-V. Add features. Next, next. I can select the network adapter later on also. So I'll do it later on. I'll configure the live migration options after installation. This is the default location for the virtual hard disk files, and this is the default location for virtual machines configuration files. If we want, we can change it. I click on the restart the destination server automatically if required. Yes, install. Now this installation is going to take about a few minutes. As I can see, Hyper-V has been installed on my LAN host 1. Close. I'll go to Tools, Hyper-V Manager. This is my Hyper-V Manager and this is the name of my server. Now, here in this pane, I'll uh, I'll be shown with the virtual machines which I will create, the checkpoints for the specific virtual machines and details about those virtual machines. Now, to create a new virtual machine, I'll go to New Virtual Machine. Next, specify the name of the virtual machine and the location for the configuration files, generation, RAM. I can specify if I want dynamic RAM for this virtual machine. Now, I'll have to configure a particular network adapter, right? A switch. Now, I don't have any, so I'll connect it later on. The hard disk. If I want, I can create a new virtual hard disk or I can use any existing virtual hard disk also. Or if I want, I can attach one later on. We'll go with the new hard disk. Operating system, either I can install an operating system later on or maybe using an ISO image or from a bootable floppy disk, or I also have option for doing it with network based installation. That's it. Finish. So this is my virtual machine. Go to right click settings, and here I can view all the settings if I want to add any kind of hardware, maybe SCSI controller, network adapter or legacy network adapter, fiber channel adapter. I can simply just click and add, and the new hardware will be added here. I can edit the things from here, maybe RAM, or I can attach a new hard disk if I want, or I can specify the network adapter from here.